Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best olive oil spray is probably one of the most convenient ways to add a touch of flavor to your dishes. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of non-aerosol olive oil sprays, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your cooking needs. Get ready to elevate your culinary experience. Number 5. La Tourangelle Organic Olive Oil Spray. This is a cold-pressed, all-natural, and artisanal olive oil spray. It is perfect for cooking, sautéing, and grilling. You can use it every day. The flavor is well-balanced, intense, and fruity. It has hints of freshly cut grass, almond, and fresh olive leaves. It also has a light peppery finish. With its rich yet delicate flavor, it is ideal for everyday use. It is great for sautéing, dipping, drizzling, or blending into a vinaigrette or marinade. Extra virgin olive oil is also great for use on skin and hair, but in moderation. It can help to keep your skin and hair healthy. Known as the healthiest fat on earth, it is high in natural antioxidants. It also contains vitamin E and K, which are good for your health. What we like. This olive oil is artisanal and cold-pressed, ensuring a rich and delicate flavor. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're sautéing, dipping, or drizzling. If you are looking for a versatile olive oil that can also be used for skin care, you should consider this one. What people say. It sprays well and you don't have to use a lot when cooking. It sprays evenly and keeps food from sticking. Easy to use. And no unusual taste. Number 4. Pompeian Organic EVOO Cooking Spray. This cooking spray from Pompeian contains no propellants or additives. It provides a high-quality oil to help you eat and live well. This farmer-crafted spray is ideal for any meal. It's perfect for sautéing and drizzling on salads and pasta. It's certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association. The oil is first cold-pressed, ensuring the best quality. Pompeian has been providing quality olive oil since 1906. They are committed to providing the best products. This product is USDA certified organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified. It's a healthy choice for your cooking needs. What we like. This cooking spray uses air pressure only, with no propellants or additives, providing the best taste. It is farmer-crafted and ideal for any meal. If you are looking for a healthy and robust-tasting olive oil spray, you should consider this one. What people say. Great way to use olive oil but not too much. Sprays nicely in a light coating but doesn't clog or splatter. Good purchase. Very effective and clean taste. The spray has very easy use, and it sprays pretty evenly. You can hold down on it and spray, or you could just do a real fast spray just to make sure you're pulling in less fat and less calories. Number 3. Mantova Organic Italian EVOO Spray, 250 milliliters. This is Mantova Organic Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil Spray. It's made in Italy, preserving all the natural qualities of 100% Italian EVOO. The dispenser lets you spray the perfect amount for your dishes. This spray is designed for healthy eating. It's non-GMO and heart-healthy, packed with antioxidants and monounsaturated fatty acids. It's a great way to add flavor without compromising your health. The bag-and-bottle system allows for light and even spraying. There are no propellants, aerosols, or additives. This ensures you get pure olive oil with every spray. It's perfect for everyday use. Use it on eggs, waffle irons, and grilled sandwiches. It's also great for baking muffins, cakes, and breads. Spray it on finished foods for a beautiful look and great taste. Mantova offers extra virgin olive oil sprays in several exciting flavors. Add some to snack foods, salad dressings, pasta salads, pasta sauces, breads, vegetables, and meats. Try lemon, garlic, chili, and more. What we like. Made in Italy, this spray is designed for healthy eating, being non-GMO and heart-healthy. The bag-and-bottle system helps you spray lightly and evenly. If you like the convenience of a spray and want to control the amount of oil, you should consider this one. What people say. This is great on veggies, potatoes, and mac. This is my 4th can. Light taste of truffle, no need to overspray. It is easy to use, has different spray options. I use it on bread and rolls, baked chicken and fish, and salads. I even spray my frying pan lightly to sauté veggies. It helps the additional powdered seasoning adhere and mix well, so perfect low-cal alternative to butter on popcorn. Number 2. Atlas Olive Oil Spray, Dual Function, 5.4 fluid ounces. This olive oil spray makes healthy cooking easy. Packed with polyphenol, it's great for keto and vegan meals. A quick spray adds rich flavor without the mess or extra calories. Upgrade your meals instantly. Grown by our family for 4 generations, this olive oil features hints of banana, apple, and tomato that complement any dish. Whether you're cooking or baking, it adds a special touch without overpowering your food. Switch between fine spray or stream with the innovative top. Use spray for light, even coverage on salads and veggies, or stream for precise drizzling over pasta and bread. Just press a different part of the top for perfect control. This cooking spray is packed with healthy compounds like polyphenol and hydroxytyrosol. Certified USDA organic, kosher, halal, and 100% chemical-free. 0 cholesterol, 0 carbs. Your body will thank you. This Moroccan olive oil celebrates Morocco's rich culinary heritage. For over a century, our family has crafted exceptional extra virgin olive oil with care and tradition. We're proud to share this treasure with gourmets worldwide. Savor Moroccan culture, one bottle at a time. What we like. This olive oil features dual-function spray technology, allowing you to switch between fine spray or stream. Packed with polyphenol, it's great for keto and vegan meals. If you are looking for a versatile spray with a rich flavor, you should consider this one. What people say. Works well, easy to use. Doesn't change taste of food. I like the quality and taste of this EVOO spray. I have been using it to cook meat, and to saute and roast vegetables. This spray out just enough. Number 1. Pompeian Organic EVOO Cooking Spray, 3-pack. This cooking spray from Pompeian contains no propellants or additives. It provides you with the best tasting, highest quality oil to help you eat and live well. This farmer-crafted spray is ideal for any meal. It's perfect for salads, pasta, or just a light drizzle. It enhances the flavor of your food. It's imported and first cold-pressed. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, NOA. Pompeian has been committed to quality since 1906. They are the olive oil people. This product is USDA certified organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified. You can trust it for your healthy cooking. What we like. This cooking spray uses air pressure only, with no propellants or additives, providing the best taste. It is farmer-crafted and ideal for any meal. If you are looking for a healthy and robust-tasting olive oil spray, and need a pack of them, you should consider this one. What people say. It makes it non-stick and have a faint taste of olive oil. It dispenses the oil evenly and with precision, which means I can use just the right amount without oversaturating my food. Very easy to use non-aerosol extra virgin olive oil. You can do fast squirts for cooking or frying or slow pumps to apply to salads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.